Yep.
Alright. What level are we on? 4?
Yeah, welcome back to Risk of Rain level 4.
Wait, does this lava kill you? Anyways, jump in.
Ow, 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 ow!
Get out.
Get out, get out, get out! How do I get out?
Grab onto the rope.
Oh my
geez.
goodness. That was terrifying. And I actually didn't even do that because you said it. I did it because I was unable to jump.
You fell.
Yeah.
Alright, let's
Oh my
not go
goodness,
there.
run!
Oh my
Run, 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 run,
jump. He's
Oh
still
no,
running.
it continues.
No! No!
Oh no, no. How did you get out of it?
Oh my god. Stay on the rope. I'm never getting off. Drones, keep jumping and shooting.
This will be fun.
Get him, Drones. Yeah,
oh
Drones.
my goodness.
You got
He's
this.
stuck. Shoot him, shoot him.
My
Oh
drone,
no, 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 no,
no.
no! No, no! Oh, I'm dead.
He's out already?
I'm probably gonna die soon.
Oh my god. This is the end, I assure you. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm so close.
What is
to
that?
dying.
I don't know what that is. I'm scared.
No pig. Go
No
away.
pig.
Oh, jeez, I'm dying. What is shooting missiles at me? No. Run. Ah. No, I.
You're gonna heal up over
Well, at least Boris is still alive.
Boris
Oh,
is just
did
running
you
away
die?
from the pig.
Yeah.
What,
I'm running away from everything.
Is everyone else dead?
I'm dead.
No,
but
I'm alive.
Crow and you are alive.
Okay.
Me and my 3 drones. Oh, container. Oh, I missed that container. Container. Now you have to
What are you
drop
gonna do,
down,
Boris?
face
What are you
them
gonna
all
do?
again.
I
Oh,
really
jeez.
need to heal.
Oh.
Those guys down there.
You got how many of those
Missiles.
things above you?
Lucky I've got barbed wire myself.
Oh.
That's not like I'm
Oh jeez, this guy's dying fast now. Kill him! Whoa!
This is interesting.
Oh jeez,
It keeps spawning.
cannons.
We need to
They're
find
shooting
this
cannons at
Oh,
me.
you got the pig.
Yay! I got a purse. Give me that purse.
Now there's a cremator.
Smart shopper. I'm running for my life now. Boris, help me. We gotta stick together. Oh, there's
no.
another guy.
Oh, what? It's artillery.
There's artillery, yep.
The cannons, man. These pigs. Jeez.
Oh, what's this thing?
Oh jeez, where'd they come from? No! Repair the drone. Keep repairing drones. I can't repair drones. No! My drones! I'm dead! No! I lost my drones.
Oh, bad idea.
Nope.
I lost
Bad,
my...
Oh, don't do that,
Oh,
Boris. Don't
Boris,
do
don't die.
Ow. What, did you die?
Yeah.
that. You're the last man
I
standing.
lost my drones and I died with them, trying to repair them.
There's stuff everywhere. We haven't found
I
the-
couldn't go on without my drones.
Still haven't found the teleporter.
No.
No? That's how they keep respawning.
Bad idea. Bad idea.
Oh, this is the end. He's gonna keep falling in.
I'm going to die.
I'm sure the teleporter's at the top left, because I don't think anyone's gone there yet. Has anyone gone
I'm
on the
on
bottom
25
left?
health. 12 health.
Oh.
0 health.
You're dead, lol, get wrecked.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Yeah.
Well, we unlocked a bunch of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
That's all gonna be all gone next game.
This item will drop.
Yeah.
Oh, I got I have 2 characters I can play now.
Oh, really?
2 more. 2 new characters. Look
Oh,
at
me
that,
too.
yeah.
Oh, so do
Oh,
I.
jeez. Whoa. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna go for the robot guy. He sounds more friendly.
Well, I don't want to pick the same guy I've always had, so.
Yeah. Of course, when you lock nothing new, you gotta try it. And then we'll all die because you picked the wrong guy.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick the alien dude.
I guess I'll go robot. That is a robot. Looks like a Mega Man in his man form. What is this? Oh, jeez! Whoa!
Ooh.
Oh,
Whoa, my goodness!
I've been
They have different
guy.
weapons?
Yes,
Oh,
you're
nice.
a cowboy and I'm some mech. Yes. Jeez, this guy's heavy shooter. First aid! Shotgun. Oh,
Alright,
that
let's
was-
find the, there it is.
Wow, that was easy.
Oh, okay. And if,
Level
you,
one.
Right, then you find
if you do the... What was the roll? Whatever your roll button is, it's like a speed boost now.
Energy shield.
Oh, I don't have a third shooting anymore, I think. Or is that it? What is my stuff? Alright, so that's shield.
Got him.
That. So I have a shield and a shield bash. So I only have 2 firing modes. The missile and the shotgun. No, stop shielding.
Oh, I don't even have my roll anymore.
Yeah. So only 2 buttons are useful for me now. The shield and shield bash are useless.
Oh,
You don't have a roll, but you've got to run quickly.
Missile! At least it's both of my weapons 10 inch to like all the enemies.
what's this?
Yeah, level up.
Level up.
What
Hey, there's
is
something
this?
there that you can grab, Crow. I can't get it.
Hmm. Hurts enemies by falling. Oh, I gotta fall now. Oh my goodness. Oh, what is this? You're fast at it. Oh, I'm fast now. Yeah. Alright. Fall. Awesome. Amazing falling
3
ability.
enemies. Where are the enemies?
I don't think they're gonna be over there. Oh jeez, it's hard to move now. It's so fast.
Alright, so I've got... Oh, I got speed. Okay, yeah. That's probably what you were saying, Boris, before. I missed it.
Got him.
Any bad guys up here?
Nope. They're all done.
Ah,
Yeah.
go to the teleporter. Oh no, I'm not gonna make it to the shop. Oh, fungal heaven.
Dumb caverns. Alright, well, let's like not spread out so we don't have to travel around the whole map to kill everyone.
That's actually a good point.
Yeah, because then they'll all spawn around us. Nothing up there.
Team.
But
Oh.
you're leading the way, bro.
Yeah, get it. Yeah. AP. Anything down here? Oh, there it is. That was easy. Just stay right here. While we fight Mega Worm or whatever it is. Or it's nothing, okay. Oh, it is Magma Worm.
Oh, it's coming for me.
Missile away.
Oh,
Oh, geez, I'm gonna die. No. No. Oh, geez, what happened? Don't die, don't die, don't die. I don't want to die. Why can't I get up there? No! Worm, don't kill me. This worm. No. I can't jump up there.
ow. This is not a good spot.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. No! Oh god. Run! Run for your life. No! Take me with you! Oh man, I'm so screwed. Heal! Please heal. No! He's going after me.
Ooh. Die.
My health is almost half. Where is half? I'll be able to help soon.
Oh, okay.
Nope, it's coming from me.
Ow! Okay, we're just down to the enemies now.
Well, I can't take it. Someone take his treasure.
Banana.
And I can't take it. And you missed.
Jump and grab. Woohoo! Gain another jump.
Another jump. Oh, I got a double jump.
Oh, wow. Oops, sorry. Okay, now where are these enemies?
Where we can't jump up. Yes, I can't. Oh, I did. Oh my god. Finally. What, I just got a hole in the wall?
Jumping Simulator 5000.
Last guy. Yay! Should we buy
Last guy?
stuff? No, we'll probably wait till later because it'll be more powerful. Save your money.
For once, I'm not going to be left behind.
Oh, really?
No!
I think that was a better strategy.
Yeah, stay in one spot. Find the thing and stay there.
Nope, not this way.
And all stay together on the way there.
There's a buying thing up here. No, it's not up here. Oh, why do I have no money?
By the time I actually get up here, I will. There we go.
Does the money not carry over?
No, it doesn't.
Oh man, why didn't we buy? Should have stayed there. The snowman is so powerful.
Oh my goodness. Oh, he teleports. Ah.
Oh, I fell very far down. Whoa.
Oh, ouch.
Wow, I must say this map is very, very vertical.
Where are you?
I am like a mile down.
This guy's just jumping.
Get off.
I found a warp gate for a container.
So
Well, it looks like we're gonna have to
up or
travel
down? Where are we
across. We're gonna have to travel across the entire map because it's not down and this map is very vertical. Can I go this way? Yeah. Alright, container, give me something good. Whoa, what is that? Salmarang.
The Solmer.
Whoa. Throw. Oh man, that's awesome. That's so cool.
Oh, what's
Alright.
this? Rotten brain.
Throw, yeah. Throw bouncing brain.
Oh, it's official. This is the dumbest Colossus ever.
Ah! Ow. Oh, ow.
Guys, this is the hardest boss fight ever. He doesn't know how to swing his fist down. Get off me.
We're going down here?
If you want to help fight the Colossus with me, which involves standing still.
Oh, what's going on? I'm flying. Ah!
Whoa, I'm actually gonna die. Stupid minions.
Fire
Come here,
shield.
stupid minions. Oh my god, this minion is powerful. Okay. Oh, no, don't lag. Oh my god, he's gonna lag kill me. Help! Help! I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Here we are to save the day.
Jeez. He like just instantly just like milked me for like health. We just stand here and like do this pretty much. Oh, okay. Missile. No, minions, don't kill me.
You are going down. Am I actually shooting this guy?
Yay. Permanently increases
ouch.
your...
Run,
Oh, what
run.
did I died? What?
Oh, I died.
Whoa.
How did...
What?
When did that
died.
happen?
What?
It's just you, Boris.
Not again.
Oh my god. We still haven't even found the portal yet. Go find the portal, Boris. You got this. It's not that way, Boris. Just don't. Get away. No way. Boris, just run. Just run for your life and find the portal.
Run!
You need to open that thing.
Can you Indiana Jones and there's a giant ball behind you?
Oh man.
Oh my goodness. This looks
It wasn't your
horrible.
time to die.
Maybe next time.
So it's over here.
Up.
Nope. Run, Boris, run. The great climb.
Oh no.
Stuck there.
Run, Boris. Oh my god.
Oh. Nope.
This was literally the opposite of the game plan we had the other time. Like, we ran across the entire map
Yep.
and spawned all the enemies everywhere.
And, oh, that was close.
Oh, wow. And is it up there? Nope.
We had to go all the way down one mountain and all the way up the other side of it.
Yeah. This map sucks. Is it up there?
There it is.
There it is.
Go! So now you get to fight all the
Victory.
big bad things all by yourself.
Yeah, this isn't going to happen. I can tell you now I'm not going to make it. Go away.
Stay alive. Oh my
Oh
goodness.
my god, you're screwed.
It's a Belrog.
Oh jeez.
Oh,
And they
never
lock
mind
you
that.
in.
You're still screwed.
Oh, go, go,
Oh,
go.
you can
You're
run.
free.
Run, Boris. Just jump off.
I need
Jump off.
my speed.
Jump.
Please be nothing bad. Oh. What's the bad stuff?
Everything bad.
Oh, I'm just going to survive for 90 seconds, but I don't want to spawn too much, do I?
And then you gotta kill everything. Yeah.
No, they're too fast. It would have been very helpful if he didn't die.
I don't know how he died. It's like, hey, we killed the boss and then dead.
Yep. I wasn't watching my health, obviously, but last time I looked, I thought it was full.
Almost every time I died, it's because, like, it was full, and then you die, and then, oh, it dropped down. It shows you your health after you die. The troll mechanic. Well, good luck, Boris. How many enemies are left?
Oh my goodness.
I
Okay,
think
7
by
seconds.
running
We
back
got
and forth, I'm just spawning
100
more and more.
10 seconds left.
Yeah,
I
standing
don't
still
have any
didn't help
special
either.
abilities. No, I'm gonna die here.
Oh, you're into the kill time.
47. You got 47 to kill. Oh, that's actually a perfect spot. Just throw grenades in there.
No, stop it!
Oh, they're killing you?
Yeah, they have
There's
rockets.
Like, how
Yeah.
deadly are they?
I think they're about 20.
Nope.
Oh, wow.
Oops.
This is so entertaining. I can see all the subscribers rolling in. Oh, dude.
Oh, they can get you now. Oh no, run! No!
This much effort to kill one snowman.
That's right. Damn Yetis. Bonk.
Still ain't
We've got 47 to go.
Bonk. There we go, we got him! Yay!
46
We win.
to go. Oh, man. Alright, how about this, Boris? The faster you do this, the quicker I finish my water. Oh, yeah. Or should I spilled on me? I tried doing some sexual, like, tongue
you
licking
actually hitting
wild
them?
thing. And then, nope.
Oh, what? Sorry?
Are you actually hitting them from there?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
Oh,
getting
cool.
this one guy just takes a long time.
His health is unknown. Oh no, he's bugged. You have to go down until it moves to get him.
I think that guy's dead. On my screen, that guy's dead.
No, there you go.
Bad idea.
Oh, what?
That was so random. I thought I'd just jump down and shoot him.
You didn't get to fight the boss. You died before the boss.
Oh, wow.
Anyway, I think that's enough for this one.
Yep, that was the screen, everybody.
Yeah, woohoo!